A bill promoting slaughter plant development in Montana could face legal challenges, and an equine reproduction center has some tips on managing foal rejection. I'm Erin Ryder, news editor of The Horse, your guide to equine healthcare. Welcome to the Ryder Report for May 12th. A new Montana state law invites private investors to develop horse slaughter facilities in that state. But opponents say compliance and court challenges might discourage prospective investors from ever breaking ground on plant projects. HB 418 insulates plant developers from permit and licensing challenges on environmental and other grounds, and awards attorney and court fees to plaintiffs in cases district courts deem harassing or without merit. A spokesman for the Humane Society of the United States told us the legislation could be challenged because it removes Montana citizens' right to sue plant developers in state courts. There are also some concerns with food safety compliance issues. All meat processing plants in the United States are subject to USDA regulation and product inspection, according to the Food Inspection Service. But Congress previously stripped the USDA's funding for horse processing plant inspections. Bill sponsor Ed Butcher said such concerns are unfounded. See Article 14112 on thehorse.com for more information. After more than 11 months of waiting, your mare has finally delivered a fine, healthy foal. Yet shortly after the foal stands, the mare spins around, pins her ears, and attacks her foal. What's happening, and what can you do? Foal rejection is a heartbreaking twist on an otherwise normal foaling, and unless the mare has rejected a foal before, there is no way to predict if and when it will happen. The Equine Reproduction Laboratory at Colorado State University recently gave us some tips to manage this situation should it occur on your farm. Read their recommendations at Article 14149 on thehorse.com. The Brook Hospital for Animals, a UK equine welfare charity that operates across 10 countries, has recently released guidelines for tourists utilizing the services of working animals while on holiday. The Brook is calling on all tourists to take action against the abuse of working equids by following a simple code when using working horses and donkeys abroad. Some of the points include matching your size to the size of the animal, not overloading carriages, and looking for wounds or prominent bones. Read more and get a link to the Happy Holiday Horses Code at Article 14147 on thehorse.com. Megaesophagus, a chronic dilation of the esophagus in conjunction with a lack of normal tone or strength, appears to occur at an atypically high rate in Friesian horses, according to a report in the proceedings from the 10th International Congress of the World Equine Veterinary Association. The report authors suggested that this might be considered a hereditary problem in the breed. Clinical signs of megaesophagus include loss of appetite, muscle wasting, salivation, and mild colic. These horses are also prone to choke. The report authors recorded 45 cases of megaesophagus at a private practice and university large animal clinic between 2002 and 2007. Of these patients, 41 were Friesians. The researchers also noted a familial predisposition among affected horses. Read more at Article 14134 on thehorse.com. 6 months after its launch, the Horse.com's Thoroughbred Adoption Service listing has helped place 138 horses in new homes. Another 98 are currently available, ranging from yearlings to sound, already retrained competition horses to retired babysitters. If you're looking for your next equine athlete, or if you have room at your farm and in your budget for another horse, please visit the Thoroughbred Adoption Services listing on the Horse.com's homepage. If you have a registered thoroughbred that needs a home, you can place a description of the horse on the service for free. Just visit the homepage of thehorse.com and click on Thoroughbred Adoption Service. That's it for this week's Ryder Report. Visit thehorse.com for all the latest news on equine healthcare, management, and welfare. I'm Erin Ryder, news editor of The Horse, your guide to equine healthcare. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.